What's good, Rocket City Classic Cars? You see Hans gave it a light bath, real light. I didn't really scrub it like I wanted to scrub it because I was kind of busy yesterday and I had to be somewhere. But gave it a little wipe down. Still looking good. Drove it a lot today. As you can see, it's a little bit dirty still. I didn't scrub it like I should have scrubbed it. But we're gonna get them right. Gotta get that estimate for a paint job. I'm thinking about keeping it the same color. I love this BMW blue. See some of the paints flaking off. Hans probably had a paint job probably in the early 2000s, late 90s. 17-inch wheels. What y'all think? Do y'all think I should go bigger? Go to 18? Or keep these wheels? Front. A little rust right here. Is that dirt? Look like a little rust. But this right here is definitely dirt. You get that all cleaned up a little bit better. What y'all think? Y'all think I should keep the same color? Or go black? I think I like this blue. Definitely. Interior. It's still dirty. Still dirty. It's all good. You see this dash? Look at the dash. No cracks. No cracks. These dashes are really expensive. They're really expensive. It's hard to find one for this year BMW, this model, the E24, in good condition. Sunroof, you see, I didn't really get a chance to really scrub it, but this is definitely dirt. Everything works. Windows work. Hans, he's ready for the road again. Again, I got to get these resurfaced. What y'all think? Y'all think I need to go bigger? Go with the 18s? Yeah. I like these wheels though. I think I'm gonna keep these. Definitely going to keep these. You guys already saw the trunk. I'm gonna get another one of those. This one's the original. I don't know, I kind of like the original look though. Got that hoverboard. Somebody wants to buy the hoverboard. That's why I have it in the trunk. So give it to them, of course. Still dirty. It's punch P3s. They still knock though. Hans is the logo for Rocket City Classic Cars. Just so y'all know, if you guys are interested in buying a used vehicle, get at me. I can get y'all a great deal. A really, really good deal. Also, once I reach about 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna give away a car. I'm gonna give away a car. Yeah. Once I get that fresh paint job, get the beat hooked up, Hans is definitely gonna run the streets. Gotta respect your elders. 1983 BMW E24 6 Series. There's not a lot of these left, especially in Huntsville. I think I've only saw one guy with a 6 Series in the area. Saw him at Ashley's garage. But yeah, so Hans is ready. Get that paint job. Be good to go. Good to go. There's no windows. thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share. Let's get at least 1,000 subscribers, and I'm gonna go ahead and give away a car. Now, not this car, but I'm gonna give y'all something nice. Nice giveaway car. Probably an old classic, or maybe something new. Who knows? Hans is looking good. Hans is looking good. So stay tuned to the channel to see what goodies I got in store for Hans. And we're out.